This is Twit.
Here in the Christie booth, I'm talking with Don Shaw, Senior Director of Product Management. And Don, I understand there are some new developments in the world of digital cinema.
Hi, Scott. Absolutely. Among the various Pro AV stands we have here at the Christie booth, one thing we're really proud to bring to NAB in the Christie Innovation Theatre is a 6 primary laser projection system.
Now, wait a second. I thought there were only 3 primaries.
Yeah, that's a great question. So for 6 primary 3D, what you actually have is one projection system with one set of RGB primaries for your left eye, then a slightly different set of RGB primaries for the right eye. The primaries themselves have a 20 nanometer separation between them, so you can use Dolby 3D glasses, specially tuned Dolby 3D glasses, to filter out the image for the correct eye.
Right. This is the other 3D type besides polarization.
Yeah, it's totally different than polarization-based 3D. And what we're showing in our Innovation Theatre is just how much more efficient this is than polarization-based 3D. So with 6P 3D, we can actually produce over 40% efficiency versus somewhere in the mid-20s range with the best solution available today with Xenon Labs.
And this is with laser illumination as well.
Absolutely. So it's really bright. No problem for us to produce 14-foot Lambert 3D on any size cinema screen.
Now, also at Christie for the last couple of years, you've been showing high frame rate, and that's, I assume, also in there as well.
It's all part of it. We've got a high frame rate demo in our booth as well. So coming through the laser projector, we have a special trailer from The Hobbit, Desolation of Smaug, and we're screening that at 14-foot Lambert's brightness, 48 frames per second frame rate.
That's, I bet you it looks beautiful. I can't wait to go see it. When do we expect to see laser projection deployed in commercial cinemas?
We'll be shipping laser projectors to commercial cinemas this year.
And they're 4K resolution, right?
Absolutely.
Now, what about dynamic range? With lasers, are you able to increase the dynamic range that you see on the screen?
Lasers offer a lot of opportunities for dynamic range. I mean, for one thing, you can build higher contrast projection systems, you have wider color gamuts, and we're working in our labs right now with other industry partners on high dynamic range solutions for cinema.
Can't wait to see it. Thanks so much. Hey, we got inside the Christie Theatre before the next showing of the demo, and I'm talking with Patrick Arteaga, the Director of Business Development here, about a new sound system from Christie. Now, Christie, everybody knows, is a projector company. How'd you get into audio?
Well, the aspect of our audio development has taken place probably the last 4 or 5 years, kind of taking our technology aspects and looking at audio solutions from a whole new perspective. Some of the key things we've developed is our ribbon driver technology, with our own line array, and also the introduction of Class D amplifiers. So taking these 3 critical elements and putting together a complete audio system for both cinema application and non-cinema applications.
And they're line arrays. There's no horn tweeter to be found.
Correct. One of the unique elements of this is taking all the benefits of a line array philosophy, design concept, but developing it as a single enclosure. So hopefully this helps in installation benefits and also long-term operation of its use in a cinema or non-cinema application.
Well, certainly the line array gives you good controlled vertical dispersion and wide horizontal dispersion, which would seem to me to be very good for imaging within the entire theater.
Absolutely, and it works perfectly in a cinema application. You know, one of the challenges in line arrays in cinema has been how to meet that horizontal and vertical coverage demands, especially with cinema application, very large format auditoriums. We've done this with cinema in mind, so we're making sure all of our line arrays have 120-degree horizontal coverage, and then each line array has a different vertical coverage based upon its environment use. So ranging from a 30-degree vertical all the way up to our larger system, which is a 50-degree vertical.
And the one other thing I wanted to mention was that your surrounds, unlike most theaters where you have a whole wall of surrounds, a line of surrounds across the side, we only have 2 surrounds in here for a 5.1 system.
Correct. So what we've done is giving our customers an option, instead of having a traditional distributed surround array, we've used our especially screen channel arrays and put them in the rear, left rear and right rear. Still gives them that great 5.1 experience, but allows that customer to have that option. Save a little money on installation costs, and you don't have the arguments with the architect about where the light sconce needs to be versus the surround speaker.
Now, one last question. You mentioned something about this possibly becoming available for home use.
Absolutely. I think within Christie, being an entertainment solutions company, we definitely have aspirations to taking this great benefit from cinema and bringing it into the home. So hopefully we can bring a little bit of Hollywood to the home in the years to come.
I look forward to it. Thanks so much.
Thank you. Thank you.